How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is not really going to be model car related, but you know, if you want to stick around, stick around. If you don't, that's all right, guys. But before I get this video started, thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing's free. All right, well, today I was out and stuff and come across a little car show here in Booneville. I just walked around it a little bit, and I didn't have my car in there because the car's got a flat. So, but by the time we have our next little meeting, I'll have the car in it. But I just thought I'd get out and show you the cars and stuff. So there's a little video. Stick around, and there'll be pictures afterwards. It'll be it's the first meeting of the Booneville Car Club. I'll be joining it. But like I said, I didn't get my car out this time because it's been set up all winter long. It's the first time everybody's kind of got their cars out, I guess. And so if you like, you know, the car culture, the car clubs, you know, vintage cars, you know, whatever, you know, guys, and I'll be doing a little bit of that all throughout the summer and stuff too, besides my model cars. But so yeah, just stick around, and you'll see Alex Taylor and Dennis Taylor and Nick Taylor. You'll see their cars here because, you know, they're from Booneville too, and they'll be a part of the club. Just stick around, check it out. And like I said, steals are at the end. I won't make this video very long. Just check it out. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share, subscribe, guys. You know the deal. So let me turn this thing off and get it going. Check that out, guys. That is Dennis Taylor's. Dennis Taylor and Alex Taylor, they're from here in Booneville, Arkansas, where I live. Had a little get together. Show y'all. Y'all know Hot Rod Garage on Motor Trend, or used to be on Motor Trend, might still be, whatever. Well, Alex Taylor's from Booneville. This is Nikki's car. So, T. Let's go over here and check out this little low rider. Pick up. Rolling on Dayton rims. Very cool. Sweet. Yeah, look at that old Corvette. Good looking old Corvette. This is Lucky Performance Garage.
There's Lee over there. Hey, Mark. Mark. Here in just a minute, I would like to see everybody over here on this side. Yeah, I know, that's what I'm going to do.
Chevy.
Hey, Bobby.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know if you got my cousin Mario on your list. He goes to all those photos.
Mario.
That's awesome.
Very cool car show, guys. Just a little car club here in Booneville. My precious. There's Alex, Taylor, and Nikki.